What do you think of somebody you hate? I forgot about Dre. Nowadays, everybody want to talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. But a bunch of gibberish. But I forgot about Dre. What's the word, man? What's the word? Let's see here. Oh, bro, you know how I am. Oh, you early today? Ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm chilling. I'm being a clown right now. Don't mind me, guys. Don't mind me. All right, let's share this on Twitter. I need to start. I need to actually link my Twitter to Streamlabs and just stream on both. Right? Y'all think I should do that? I don't know. I'll be like, I don't know if I want to stream on Twitter too. I could just stream on Twitter, right? I could just stream on both, right? I just link my Twitter and just stream on both, right? But I don't know about that, man. Twitter got some weird. Twitter has a weird beard. Your beard is weird. Yo, I was listening to some old. I was listening to some old. I was listening to some old diss tracks yesterday, right? I was listening to some old beefs yesterday. I was listening to the Eminem MGK beef. I was listening to the who else was beefing? I was listening to a lot of old beefs, like the Meek Mill versus Drake beef, right? It's just your beard is weird. I think MGK did pretty good. Like that song was actually pretty lit. I was listening to it like at the first glance I was like, oh, Eminem washed him, right? And I was like, oh no, this track was actually pretty good. All right, let's get into crypto. Sorry, crypto is boring. All right, so if you came in here for one of them shows, crypto is boring right now. But we do have a Kosh network up 35% on the news of the earnings, technology earnings. So yeah, you see that chick that was like, she was getting all happy about her damn pancakes and shit. I don't know where she was at. She was at Denny's or something. Them strawberry pancakes must have been hitting. Shorty was getting hype. Like and subscribe if you new. If you never heard of me, cool. I'm Crypto Millie, right? Crypto Millie in this joint. All right, guys. We were seeing what we got going on today. Floki up 16%. Bonk. Pepe. We got some Pepe news. So, I mean, Coinbase didn't list Pepe, but they did something for the community, right? So, Coinbase just launched Pepe's perpetual futures. Pepe is up over 10% today following the news. Now up 7. Like, what were they up? I got bad memory, man. I got 19% up now, right? Bonk following around. I think we should get some 2021 tokens that's about to pop, right? As far as the meme coins, right? The dog meme coins. Shiba Inu on the weekly putting in a massive little bull flag right here. This could be a nice good move to the upside. If it breaks to the upside, of course, we would have to check the volume to see if the volume is either increasing or decreasing. Because if it's decreasing, hey, might be a good, it might go a little bit lower. You see the stock our side is bearish. But at the end of the day, volume could be increasing as you see in a lot of these 2021 meme coins go crazy. Guys, let me know in the chat, what is your favorite 2021 meme coin, right? I know most of y'all say Elon, Millie, because we watching your channel and we see Elon. Elon, though, not as high as, not as far in development as some of the 2021 meme coins here, but yeah, you can see Doge done had a massive move, and this is why we was talking about Audius in the last stream last night. But I was so tired last night. I don't even want to talk about it, right? We had a stream last night, but it's absolutely gone off my channel because I was just so tired, right? I was just streaming out just to be streaming, right? And it happens like that sometimes. All right, so 2021 tokens, meme coins, right? Look like they are starting to take the next leg up. Ain't nothing wrong with that, guys. When you hop in here, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the new. Yeah. Hold on. See, let's get into the chat here. 15 people, okay. Make sure that y'all like, subscribe. Morning, Sidley. VA, what's up? Yo, Millie missed the lives last night, bro. Yeah, man, I know. I took it off the channel, right? The man, the myth, the legend. My boy Mega J. Millie, need your honest review on Pika Moon, bro. You ain't no hype, man. You keep it real. Well, at the end of the day, it is what it is with some of these tokens, right? Again, I get approached each and every day to talk and chill about a project. But for the most most of it to lately, you know what I mean? I've been kind of like staying away from that. Maybe we do a partnership in the future. I don't know. But yeah, it's been crazy right here. I'm liking Benji meme on base under 10 mils. Okay. See some people still liking meme coins here. We got Mega J, Jojo dancing. I can't believe Room's bridge was a rug pull. Yeah, I think it's down. What? Let me see. What was it down? Yeah, look. I talked about this. I think I talked about this last night in the stream, right? I talked about this last night in the stream. I said, look, I'm retiring from the Bitcoin ecosystem, right? Retired from it. BVM went through some FUD yesterday. They did some idiotic shit where they dropped the Runix token and then paired it with BVM, which created a whole bunch of fear and FUD and selling pressure. So the Bitcoin ecosystem, I just think it needs to mature more, right? The developers need to mature. They need to figure out how to make that scalable. That just needs time. So for now, we're staying away from that, right? We're staying away from that. He said, I'm liking J5 on Grove X. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, man. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we're in the volume purgatory. But hey, when the AI hype comes back, when the meme coin hypes come back, you know, maybe people see the token. It all depends on the demand of the token, right? The hype of it, right? Marketing, all that stuff goes into the success of a project. And at the end of the day, no matter what I say or what I do, right? I am not in charge of anybody buying or selling. That's depicted upon that person, that individual, and how much the community continues to rally. So as long as it's me and my boy Mega J, he been in some of the meetings with me lately. In fact, Mega J, bro, you know, when they send that invoice, you need to go ahead and yeah. All right, Runes Bridge, RB. All right, so let's check it out. Did it all the way rug yet? I got my money out before it rugged. So I got my money out of Rune Bridge before it rugged here. Got my money up out of it. It's 5 cent. Yeah, still going down, right? I got my money out of when I seen that FUD. When I seen that FUD, I said, "Yep, I ain't messing around with no BRC20, tokens." We had made some gains with it, so it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? No one knows what goes on with these cryptocurrencies. So for that reason, we'll stay away from the whole Bitcoin ecosystem, right? Knew somebody had to come on the live stream. Let's see what you got here. Ready and waiting. I know, right? We're waiting for them to answer. I've been following J5, bro. Coinbase says it's available to buy in Coinbase wallets, but I can't purchase it there yet. But I got it on MetaMask. Okay, yeah, it happens. Huge kahunas, man. You gotta have huge kahunas to come up every day up here and stream, right? Stream in the midst of the negativity, in the midst of the naysayers, the doubters. But again, guys, this is. I'm not a serial developer. First project, it is what it is. You know what I mean? There's things that you know what I mean. You live and you learn. And the biggest thing that I've picked up, and just in crypto in general, is experience is the best teacher. Now, many would count us out, right? We had the huge burn or whatever, right? That was kind of like our huge event, right? And now we're looking to continue to add a little bit of sides to the plate where that can increase the demand, right? So I'm not, like I said, I have nothing to say about that. I'm just going to continue to do what I'm doing on the back end. I got my guy with me, Mega J, who can confirm everything that's happening. So it is what it is. And again, I have a portfolio, so no need to really worry about that and where that goes, right? That's specifically for the community, right? We're continue to give out the community rewards. And in fact, I need to spin the wheel and spin it for Sunday, right? Didn't spin it for Sunday. Didn't spin it last night because we didn't have enough people watching the stream. So I guess we can spin it today, right? Actually, let's bring up the wheel of names here and we'll spin it at the end of the stream, right? I think I'm gonna stream for like an hour. I ain't gonna go too crazy today, right? Because I want to touch grass. Like I got to get away from the screen. I got to get away from the computer. I need to go touch some grass, not some. I need to go touch some. Well, I need to go touch some grass, dog. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we'll spin this at the end of the stream. All right, any other news that we were looking at? Okay, this is what we're talking about. Biden, let's get into the news, right? Biden is asking Congress to kill the American Bitcoin mining industry. Now, the title of this video is we're in the waiting room. We're in the purgatory. We're in the grace period before the parabolic stage, right? Many people in this little 6 to 9 months most likely will get washed out. Many tokens will get washed out. A lot of things will change within the next 6 months as we get prepared for the next stage of crypto, which is that stage where things really get interesting. In fact, I think we got about 6 months of a year of this bullish momentum because we're starting to see shakes throughout the economy that this stuff won't hold up, right? Credit debt, like nobody's even like paying their credit cards. Nobody even, worrying about that. So it's just a lot of things that still concern me from the macro standpoint of things. People are still struggling, right? Everybody bought up all their crypto, right? That's been buying since 2022. And if they don't have a legit income coming in, guess what? They don't have any new money to buy crypto. So they get stuck holding those bags. And if those bags don't move fast enough, they get frustrated, which starts a whole cascade of negativity and FUD on some projects that may actually be doing the right thing, may actually be building and executing. So the next 6 to 9 months, I'm preparing for it to be a little bit boring, ugly, painful. But, even if I'm wrong, we'll still win because we do have exposure to the market, right? But I still got a lot of money on the sidelines, right? I'm not out here aping my entire net worth into crypto, right? There's life after crypto, and I think a lot of people need to understand that when they say diverse, doesn't mean you have to be diverse just within crypto, having a basket of cryptos. You can be diverse in your investment portfolio via that be crypto stocks, real estate, you know what I'm saying, lithium, you know what I mean, anything outside of just specifically focusing on crypto. People get wrapped up into this crypto bubble and they forget that there's other things outside in life that can award you financial freedom, not just the crypto space, right? So and also because being that I'm behind some of those closed doors, it's crypto, it's, you know what I mean. All right, so President Biden is asking Congress to take aim at the American Bitcoin mining industry. He's citing China as example for the states. What he wants to do is raise the taxes here on mining. He wants to impose a 30% tax, and many of the elites feel like that's a bad idea, feel like that's going to stifle innovation, right? Stifle innovation. You got Robert F. Kennedy saying that cryptocurrencies led by Bitcoin along with the crypto technologies are a major innovation engine, which it is. Don't get me wrong. Even though it's a lot of BS out there in crypto, there are a lot of real projects like Chainlink, right? That's doing wonderful things for not just Web3, but also Web2. It is a mistake for U.S. government to hobble the industry and drive innovation elsewhere. Biden's proposed 30% tax on cryptocurrency mining is a bad idea. Then we also got Senator Cynthia Lummis, who was, has been 50-50. One of those, one day she's for Bitcoin, one day she's not for crypto, and she seems to be on the side of that this is just a horrible idea, right? A 30% tax hike on any specific industry is a blatant attempt by the administration to pick up winners and losers. I will not let President Biden tax the digital asset industries out of existence. This is insane. She said, I will not. I don't like to make this thing about politics, but Biden, bro. Bro. Yeah, Mega J, hit me up after stream, bro. All right, so 8 days into the FOMC meeting. So a lot of people were wondering why I was like scaling my DCA instead of just aping everything in, right? As soon as after the halving cycle, it's going to get boring right now, ape everything in. No, just scale. I hate making decisions before the FOMC meeting. I like to get some data, guys. I do want to remind you guys that there are 8 days until the FOMC meeting, so we can get even more data to pretty much approach how we plan on creating this strategy for the next parabolic stage. So be aware of that. There is a 99% chance of a Fed pause. And I'm taking a look at the DXY on 2 for Tuesday double update. You can say finally the DXY here is looking to be losing strength. I think we get at some point in the next couple weeks, I think the momentum changes and we get more buying pressure to the upside, right? And the reason that I say that because the DXY is in the overbought sections. Now it hasn't confirmed bearish momentum, but it is overbought. And even if we just go to certain things like the Bitcoin BTC ETH pair here, you can see the BTC ETH pair is a bit oversold, but still peak bearish. At some point, this will start to turn around. You can actually start to see it building some support there. This will turn around and this will go up. DXY go down, Bitcoin will go up, others will go up, and you can see all of them are headed to those oversold levels. So I think the next leg up is on the way. We will have to see if that next leg up will be a higher high on the weekly chart. I don't know, guys. I don't know if we get that, right? I think that it's kind of like a high possibility that we do a little bit of trading sideways for the next 6 to 9 months, and things will just get boring as we look for the next catalyst. We need a new catalyst, right? What's the next catalyst? Is ETF a big enough catalyst? I don't know. Most people think it's not going to get approved. Is the Hong Kong ETF a big enough catalyst? I don't know. People really don't seem to be talk about it. But again, RWAs could be a huge catalyst, as you see here. Breaking BlackRock, ICS U.S. Treasury Money Market Fund, MMF, is tokenized on Hedera, right? And we talked about it in the stream last night. One guy was asking me about DevE, and DevE is okay, okay chain, right? They're building out some pretty things, not bad, right? When you think about ESG compliant, and what are the institutions are going to buy? What are they going to look at, right? Hedera has had more transactions than Solana throughout the year. Many people don't know that. Hedera has actually had more transactions this year than Solana, and most of it is, OTC institutional stuff that we would never see, right? And this is why I feel like Hedera is going to get that institutional interest. It's one of those projects when you look at ETFs. If Ethereum was able to get an ETF, I would say that next project in line to get an ETF is not Solana, right? Solana can sometimes be broken. I think Hedera has a higher chance to get an ETF. Am I ring the bell? Oh, rebels me. All right, so yeah, I think Hedera has a higher chance to get an ETF than even Solana. My bad. I thought I heard the bell. Oh, who knows? Yeah. So BlackRock partnering with Hedera is huge, which is kind of like I've been talking about this for 2 years, right? BlackRock. Somebody is at my door. One second. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. My bad, guys. Work. Had a little visitor there. Okay. I'm back. All right. Okay, where was I? We was cooking just now. We was definitely cooking right now. Got a little what's happening here? Light that went out. Got knocked my light out. All right, I'm back. Okay, where were we? Doorbell. Messed my whole train of lawyers, train of thought up here. I'm talking about lawyers and shit. Like the lawyer knocking at the door. Okay, guys, I'm back. All right, so let's see here. What's up with these SEC lawyers resigning? I mean, Gensler is a puppet. All right, we back. All right. Sorry, lost my train of thought there. What's up with SEC lawyers resigning? I mean, Gensler's a puppet. If he leaves, another puppet might take his spot. Yeah, man. Who knows? Back in the day, he was very bullish on what's that? Algorand back in the day. So a lot of people thought that he had bought a bag of Algorand. So we just don't know, right? Hart, what's the word, baby? Ondo. Yeah, Ondo is going to be huge when we think about the partnership also with BlackRock. Millie, you're going to do a live on FOMC meeting day. I enjoyed speaking on that topic when you streamed it last time. Yeah, I do try to stream on the FOMC meeting day. Now that I have a little bit more time on my hands, I do try to catch that stream because it seems to be an active stream. So, yeah, I do try to catch that. Ondo partnered with Coinbase and BlackRock could be the top RWA when it's all said and done. I think it will be the top RWA. Right? I think it really will. I think it will be the top RWAs. But this is what we need, right? BlackRock, Hedera, Ondo, Larry Fink going out there tokenizing, right? Tokenizing stock market and bringing it to the blockchain. I think that's actually a good thing. So, not necessarily a bad thing. All right. Guys, what do y'all think about this? Now, I'm a holder of BitRock, right? So when BitRock, posts, I see it, right? But what do y'all think about these billboards? Do you think this is a waste of money? I mean, when I'm driving, right, and I see a billboard, right, I don't think people, when they see billboards, and I like BlackRock, BitRock. I actually hold this project, right? But I just think the whole billboard thing is just like, man, come on, man. You could use that money for something else, man. You know what I mean? I don't think when people see billboards, they be like, oh, I'm going to buy that crypto. I just don't think the adoption is there yet to where you see a billboard, a crypto billboard, whether it be a meme coin or nothing on the Jumbotron and all that. That is a waste of money. Unless you're doing something crazy like we seen from that dog with a hat where they had the whole sphere with the whole logo. Now, that's insane. But like, Average person see this, man. They not looking at no billboard and thinking like I'm about to go buy BitRock. They don't even know how to buy BitRock. I think money could be used a little bit, a little bit better, right? I think money could be used a little bit better here. So again, guys, I don't know. Big fan of BitRock, but I'm not a big fan of billboards, right? In crypto, I don't think billboards help with marketing at all in crypto. To be completely honest with you guys, so y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. You know what I mean? I might be reaching. You know what I'm saying? Now, y'all let me know what y'all think about billboards, crypto. Or, you know, do they help with marketing? Is it something that you can see really, really helping that specific crypto get out there when you think about awareness, marketing, and things of that sort? We got 30 people in here. Billboards are old school. I seen Shiba Inu on the side of the trailer of the truck last year. That's a little bit different, right? But I don't know, guys. I don't know. Is BlackRock behind Demo? I thought I heard that somewhere. I think Demo is a pretty good D-Pin project. You know what I mean? But I don't know. I don't think BlackRock is behind it, right? Yeah, Ondo is gonna be crazy, right? Let's check it out, right? Ondo. I think we one of those projects that has a high market cap, and you're like, yeah, this thing can go to 100 billion, right? They got a bunch of KOLs behind it. They got the #1 KOL behind it, BlackRock. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. And now Hedera got that. The only thing about Hedera is that the price action is it's like a stock, right? It's more like a stock than a crypto. So that's not necessarily bad when you think about the volatility if you're a person that's not into volatility. So if you're not into volatility, you probably look at these projects like, you know, I can hold a project and it can still go higher than my savings account over a year, and I don't have to take on much volatility. So right now, I think when we in this little purgatory, this little window of gray area before we get to the parabolic stage of this entire cycle, you know, this is where blue chips actually shine, because you don't have to worry about much downside. But if you're a degen, right, and you're holding like small caps, micro caps, meme coins, then when crypto gets silent, you really get absolutely hit up, right? You get hit up. So you gotta understand that, yeah, everything may be looking good when everything's going good, but will you be able to take on that type of volatility when things are not going good? And I think a lot of people, they get hyped up into becoming a degen that they forget, like, crypto doesn't go just up, just up. Sometimes it does correct, and eventually, you know what I mean, you got to look at the volatility there and be prepared for a drop down of maybe 30 to 50% sometimes, right? And that does not necessarily mean the crypto is a scam, it's not working, the team is not building, things are not happening. It's just the belly of the beast when you think about the market, guys. All right, so everybody that's new in here, make sure that you like, subscribe, keep your boy inside the algorithms, right? We need to get the likes up. All right. Where were we? 32 people up here, 33. All right. Oh my God, the energy used for those electric billboards, 30%. I didn't think about that, man. I didn't think about the energy that it actually takes to actually host a billboard. Hold on, guys. Let me close my door here. All right. Because when I'm streaming, I like to lock in, right? No distractions. All right, I've been holding H-bar forever. It seems it doesn't move. Yeah, I mean, H-bar is one of those tokens where you look back and it's like, okay, I could put 10K in this thing and just let it sit over the next 3 or 4 years, and at some point that 10K should be worth 100K when you think about the things that they've been building within the last 2 to 3 years, right? You put 10K in it, like, okay, I might have to wait a little bit longer than the average meme coin, but hey, I don't have to worry about my project going down 75% or anything like that unless we just hit a bear market, right? And a bear market is totally different, but not much volatility from H-bar. It is funny though, because I was watching Crypto's RS stream, and he was like he doesn't even think people will buy treasuries off H-bar. You know what I mean? Yet H-bar has more transactions for the year than Solana, right? A lot of those are institutional type of transactions. So to each his own. I think Solana is also pretty good, right? I think Solana is pretty good. I think if they fix it right, you'll start to see a lot of those meme coins come back. Nothing wrong with that. But when we talk about institutional interest, open interest, I think HBAR is one of those projects that we're gonna look up one day, and it's sitting around 50 billion, 100 billion, something crazy, and it's gonna be like a slow move though. It's not gonna happen fast. It's gonna be a slow grind to the upside. But man, I mean, they got some of the biggest companies that sit at the council. You know, they come on, man. I mean, I could do it. I could do it. I could talk about HBAR for hours about some of the things that they built. But people don't like slow movers in crypto, man. People want fast, fast, fast. Everybody wants to get rich quick. And then, you know, when you get wrecked quick, it's like, oh, it's the crypto fault. That's really goofy if you ask me. All right, but we're gonna talk about that. All right, look back though. H bar does move exactly one up. I agree with you 110%. Others chart is very important for all my S coins. Yeah, you already know what time it is, Reflare. We always got that. We always got that others chart pulled up here. We had a massive amount of accumulation that we could have accumulated over time from May 2022 to about October 2023, like almost like a year and some change of just accumulation. And then we've seen a massive move up here to the upside. Though the stock RSI is bearish, there is no confirmation that the trend has changed, right? Normally, you want to get your altcoins when everything is bearish, right? Everything is quiet. The altcoin season meter is around the 30s, the 25s, and stuff like that. And then kind of like enjoy the ride to the upside. So it looks like it's finally wanting to put in a higher low here. So technically, that's still a good thing, right? Technically, a higher low is a good thing. So I wouldn't say that this is bad, but there is a lack of momentum here, which is a good thing, right? Because this is how you find opportunities within the market if you're shopping with the hottest narratives, guys, the hottest narratives. All right, let's get into these comments here. See, we got 40 people up here. Like and subscribe. All right, HBAR, QNT, Caspa, my biggest holdings. Pretty good projects, man. Great blue chips. VA says, I like slow moving cryptos. When I take profits on my crazy degen plays, I put some of my profits in the solid slow moving cryptos. Yeah, we talked about this about a couple months ago when people were asking about my move from Hedera to Hedera. And it was like, you know, I made these profits in phase one. I wasn't looking to necessarily put it in a stable coin. Maybe put some in a stable coin, but hey, there's some blue chips out there that just haven't had their run yet. Actually, QNT Quant is one of them, and actually has a very, very good use case when you think about the comparison of how people compare Quant to the TCP IP of cryptocurrency, right? Legit messaging systems between Web 2 and Web 3 that's connecting it all. So if you build, no matter if you build a DApp on Web 2 or Web 3, it's still connected to the blockchain based on QNT Quant. So Quant has a pretty unique utility and use case, but people they rather buy a lizard with a hat on. Let's see. Hedera has been kind of stale. Been holding it for 2 years. It's gonna have its day. Saint Casper. Oh man, Casper looked like it got absolutely riggedy wrecked. Got 4% HBAR average, so I'm up even though it hasn't done much. Yeah, that's a good average. That's a good average. That's a good average. That's a good average. Nothing wrong with that. Is BlackRock behind Debo? You know what I'm saying? Nah. I don't know about that one. I do not know about that one, guys. All right. So any other news that we have here? Let's see. What was I looking up here? What was this? Okay, 3 factors other than the halving that will drive Bitcoin higher until the cows come, right? So we need to figure out what the next catalyst is, man. I think we need to figure this out as a team, as a family, right? What is the next catalyst, right? Right. So what is the next bull run catalyst, guys? Let me know in the chat. Chat, go crazy right now. I need to know, chat. What's the next catalyst that's going to take us to Valhalla, right? We potentially the catalyst with Fed cuts, right? But now the expectations that we only get 1 federal rate cut opposed to 3 for the remaining of the year. So this FOMC meeting is going to be detrimental to if we get 3 federal rate cuts. I don't think it happens anymore. I just don't understand. I don't see how it can happen with the way the DXY is still pumping. Inflation is still sticky. The only thing we do got in our back pocket for a potential money printer, in my opinion, is a Bitcoin president, right? Will the Fed finally turn on the money printer around election time, right? I think that's something that can save us, right? Will retail return? How serious will the traditional market take the tokenization of traditional assets, aka RWA? So is that actually a narrative that's going to be a catalyst to the next leg up? Because when I look around the board, I'm not seeing much interaction with retail, man. I'm just not, man. You know, even Discords and Patreons, they're really quiet right now. Like everybody is like holding on, right? Because so people are holding on because you're not seeing a lot of, selling pressure or downside like we're seeing for the bear market. But people are like, what's next? What's next, right? And then the chances of an ETH ETF, right? Chances of an Ethereum ETF are slimming by the day, family. Slimming by the day, right? We were supposed to have a high chance of getting an ETH ETF by May, but the SEC, they don't know what the hell they got going on. You got people leaving the SEC. You got Canada trying to sue Binance. It's just, crazy, right? And then if you go, I don't even want to talk about crypto Twitter. We're going to move on from that. This is why I don't stream on Twitter. I'm not trying, I ain't trying to make no enemies on crypto Twitter, dog. I'm good. I'm going to stay away from that. Look, I stay away from that toxic ass shit on crypto Twitter, guys. Like, once I hop in a space and see that they on one of them FUD missions, I'm up out of there. I ain't got time to be, programming my head and my mentality with FUD, right? When we have those quiet downtimes in crypto, people be having like FUD Twitter spaces. I get the fuck up out of there. I ain't about to deal with that. Right? I like peace and positivity, and there's just too much toxicity in crypto, right? At this point, it's like why even be a founder of a crypto, right? It's just like, man, I'm a step away. You know what I mean? I don't want any key man risk. I don't want to be the face of anything, right? I'm good on that. I told y'all, I am not the face of J5. This shit is a community effort, okay? And it's not based on Crypto Billy. So let's get that understood. So with that being said, what's up with retail? Why is things so quiet, right? Discord quiet, Patreon quiet, Twitter is bearish, right? Everybody making like FUD AMAs and spaces, and it's ugly on crypto Twitter. I'm not, just 2 weeks ago we were having like some lit ass spaces. Everybody was hype, meme coins was pumping. Now it's like doom and fucking gloom in these spaces. So will retail prevail at the end of the day? Will they come back into the space, or is this a sign? Is this a sign to be concerned of? Because I'm not really seeing retail here yet. And BTC hit an all-time high at 73K, and still no retail, right? No huge like marketing. We got the NBA playoffs. I'm seeing a couple crypto commercials, but not like it was the last bull run. I'm not seeing rappers. I'm not seeing Matt Damon talking about fortune favors the brave. I'm not seeing the race car drivers rapping their cars in crypto. Like, what the fuck is going on, right? Yet BTC at one point was at 73K. So we got to be a little bit concerned that that a lot of that was propped up by the ETFs and the suit and ties, and to trap liquidity. Though I do feel that we can have that parabolic stage, in the back of my head, there's still a little percentage that has to think like, was that the top? I don't want to be that guy to put it out there, but you can't just be moon boy, and you can't like decipher between like realism, right? Realistic expectations, because that's how you get your feelings hurt, right? Get your feelings hurt with them when unrealistic expectations here. And I'm seeing a lot of desperate people, right? Desperate people in crypto when it comes to chasing meme coins, chasing pre-sales, and that desperado type of mentality will get you burnt, will get you wrecked, will have you lose money opposed to making money. So just keep that in mind. Too many ops on X, bro. I look. I know there's people in the community, especially with the J5 community, like, Millie, we want you to be a little bit more proactive on X and Twitter Spaces, AMAs. Like, I tried, man, but it's just not for me. I'm a YouTube guy. You know, I'll try to X, but it's a YouTube guy because ain't nobody making money but them boys. Them boys got Bag. Good to see Bag here, man. Bag has some pretty good trades in the Discord with the leverage. I was watching you, buddy. You was doing your thing. Crypto Twitter is toxic. It is, bro. Everybody thinks they know it all on crypto Twitter. I stay away from that. Didn't Biden send more money to war this past Saturday? I think that's enough to get the ball rolling. Ah, man, nah. He ain't turned that money printer on yet, right? Crypto Twitter is like that toxic ex you can't get out of your life. Facts. Retail thinking BTC hit all-time high, then went back down. Okay, I'll buy it 15K again this time. Yeah, I just got rid of Twitter yesterday. I'll be back after the run. Look, Bag Boy. And this is coming for a guy that does leverage trading, and he just said he got rid of Twitter, bro. Crypto Twitter. Like, yo, crypto Twitter and Telegram. Yeah. Oh man, let's go to Tonic, right? Tonic has been like a stable coin, right around a $30 million market cap, right? All right, let's go to Tonic. And look, guys, look, you know, we can joke all day, but you know, crypto is not dead, right? Crypto is not dead. The hype just has died down. The halving event was a huge event, right? Where a lot of people were misinformed that when we have the halving event, Bitcoin goes to 1 million, and that's not how it works, right? But that doesn't mean like crypto is done or the bull run is dead or anything like that. It's just we're in that waiting period, and this is the most important part of the cycle, right? You could have messed around for the first 6 months to a year of the cycle, but you cannot get this part of the cycle wrong, right? You have to slay this part of the cycle. So prepare now for the waiting room, opposed to thinking like every time you see a whole bunch of green in the market, we're in the bull run. That's necessarily not the case. Good to see HBAR going up on that news of the partnership with the BlackRock. Like and subscribe in the chat if we got some HBAR fans in here. All right, so I'm assuming that Nvidia's earnings is going to come out positive, and you'll see a couple of our GPU crypto. Let's go to the GPU bot after we go to Tonic, right? Tonic, all right, Tonic. Borrowing and lending on crypto.com. All right. The Aave of the Cronus ecosystem. So when you look at that, you know, you gotta feel like Tonic has some hope, right? But it just broke the little bit of uptrend that we had. It just broke it. So now we gotta start looking at this little area down here, which is the last leg of support, which in my opinion, if Tonic comes all the way back here to our red line of support, which is the emergency line, I think that this could be a good trade, right? Because you can see the massive move last time it hit down here to the upside. So it definitely is going to retest those low. Whoa, going to try to retest this lows. Look at this. There's absolutely no fucking structure here at all till you get down here, unless we just go all the way back in the chart. And yeah, guys, Tectonic look like it's ready to retest these lows here. I don't want to be that guy to tell you that, but it's in no man's land right now. When you look at the chart, this thing is in no man's land. This is the 3-day chart. It's coming off a bull cross that did absolutely nothing, and it's coming into a bear cross here. Yeah, this is short territory. This is dangerous. We got a bearish cross here. It hasn't confirmed yet, but it looked like it wants to confirm another lower low here. I can see Tectonic coming to retest this, right? The only reason that Tonic hasn't retested this is most likely because a lot of people got their money in the 4-year votes. I think if people didn't have a lot of their money in the 4-year votes, it probably would have came down to retest this. So I don't really know what's going on with Tectonic right now. The hopium here, the bull case, is that the stock RSI is going for the retest, and it looks to want to confirm bullish momentum. That's the bull case here. Let's see what we have here. MACD still bearish. I also want to check the volume and see if the volume is actually decreasing. Let's check the volume here. Oh yeah, so we got decreasing volume here as well. I guess we'll throw on some BBs and see if we can get some tightening of no tightening of the BBs. So yeah, bear territory, definitely a bear territory for tonic, and this is a 3-day chart, right? I like to zoom out. This is a 3-day chart. Not looking too well. Even though we are getting momentum indicators to the upside here with tectonic, I think it will be short lived because we got too many bear cases, right? We got a potential bear cross here. We got a break under the uptrend here, putting in a lower low here and looking to retest the lows because there's absolutely no structure for it to hold, right? So I don't know if the bulls come and pick this up as a wick on the 3-day. That could happen. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I think I'm leaning towards tonic being still a little bit bearish. That does not mean it's a bad project. Just because the charts is bearish does not mean that's a bad project. I want to make that clear. You got to make that clear in crypto, right? Because people are weird in crypto. All right, nice hit, bag boy. Memes are rocking after the halving. Bitcoin ETH rips. Bitcoin ETH. You think the ETH BTC pair rips? Still looks bearish to me. I'm not seeing any confirmation of momentum changing here. I will say that I'm happy that it's down here than up here, right? So at some point, the ETH pair will look to change the momentum here to the upside. But you can see like the ETH BTC has been getting absolutely wrecked. And this is why people are so frustrated because they felt like ETH should have been way better performer, right? So maybe it goes up here to retest the downtrend, but it has not broken the downtrend. It doesn't even look like it's close to breaking the downtrend. I don't know when the ETH BTC pair will turn bullish, but it's been bearish for a while now. Right? For the opportunists, this could be an opportunity for ERC20 tokens, or even if you're an Ethereum buyer, if you're a person that believes and has conviction on ETH, this could be a good opportunity to start your DCAs. But I mean, no sign of reversal here from the ETH BTC pair. No sign of reversal. Maybe was wondering what is the realistic Jasmine price this bull run. 10 cents or higher, 10 cents to $1, right? I think it can get anywhere between 10 cents and $1. This market is psychological. Don't get flooded out. A lot of people can't handle the ups and downs and sideways moving. Yeah. I told you guys, I'm going to touch grass. I ain't going to be sitting here looking at my goddamn portfolio all day long. Hell no. But I definitely have seen a change in the interest throughout the market from views to everybody, right? Not the pairs. I mean, BTC and ETH typically rip up after the halving period. It depends on the timing frame, Cody. I don't know what your time frame is. We've done this multiple times on stream and also videos where we just kind of like verified that normally it takes anywhere from 180 days to 300 days before we actually start to see that parabolic stage, which means this waiting room is probably the best time for any newbie that's getting into crypto. These waiting rooms that you get before you get to the parabolic stage is the best chance to start loading up if you missed out, right? Not financial advice because, hey, what if we never have a bull run? So I don't want to say that it's guaranteed to happen, but just based off history, you can see we always had this waiting room after the halving cycle, right? We had the waiting room here in 2016, and I'm looking at the crypto total market cap here, the others. And this is the altcoin chart, the others one, right? We had the waiting room here and then blast off 224 days. 2020, we had the waiting room here and then we blasted off after about 154 days. So we always have a waiting room. We just don't know how long this waiting room will be. I also like to go retest the backtest the Bitcoin charts and just see how long the waiting rooms are from the first halving cycle here. So the first halving cycle here, if it can just pull up, you can see that we had the waiting room here, from here to here, and then Bitcoin started to pretty much raise, which was 37 bars. In 2016, we had the waiting room here, which was about 147 days, and then 2020, we had the hold on, I'm getting it confused, right? That was 2020 when we had the 147, so 37 bars, right? I'm confused. I didn't confuse my damn self because the chart didn't pull up. Hold on, let me reload this so we can be a little bit more accurate here. All right, there we go. All right, let's go back down here to the first halving. All right, so we had the waiting room here at the first halving, which was about 300 days until we peaked out. Anybody that took advantage of this little waiting room here seen insane gains here, right? So there was a waiting room. This is the halving. This circle is the halving, the first halving, 2012. We had a little bit of a waiting room, and then we blasted out of there, right? 2016, we had a waiting room, and then we blasted out of there, right? The same could be said for 2020, which was the shortest waiting room, but that's because we had like a weird market with the whole C19 and a relief program. And you can see this drop here caused a lot of fear, but also awarded a lot of people opportunity because fortune favors the brave. And the waiting room was about 147 days until we blasted out of there. So the question is, how long will this? The question is, Control Z. I don't know why that I brought that up, but the question is, how long will this waiting room be here, right? And yeah, 6 months to a year. And this is probably the best time to actually load up your bag if you missed out on all of this. So if you didn't buy crypto down here on this inverted head and shoulder, I mean, you missed out on a lot, right? You missed out on a lot, but it's not over not over yet, right? We still got this little waiting room here before the parabolic stage, which we haven't hit yet. Some people don't think we're going to have it, though, man. Some people don't think that we're going to have the parabolic stage because Bitcoin hit an all-time high before the halving cycle. So a lot of people think like the whole like game has changed because of that. So I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's crazy. But one thing you can't deny is that the difference between like this bull run and the bull run that we are looking forward to here is that this is a quantitative tightening bull run opposed to a quantitative easing. Now, this can turn into a quantitative easing bull run if the Fed turns on the money printer. But if the Fed doesn't turn in the money printer, then we'll continue to be in QT, which is quantitative tightening. When the Fed continues to decrease their balance sheet, then there's not much money being put out there in the system to reinvest back into risk on assets. So a little bit different than the last cycle, man. And I mean, if you're not looking at it from a grand scheme of things and you're thinking like, oh, halving cycle means bull run is next, you gotta have a realistic mindset to and after me doing even more research and kind of seeing a difference between a quantitative easing bull run and a quantitative tightening bull run. They're just like total different markets, guys. Total different markets. So let to the word to the wise be sufficient here, man. Look, anything can happen. Anything can happen, right? Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. 32 people in here. I'm open-minded to either scenarios with the waiting room. Only thing is, we hit all-time high before halving, so it can be different this time. You don't know what it could be till you get after it. Find one person to learn from, then apply it till you can see it as your own and change it up. It looks like BTC is a giant cup forming a handle from hitting the all-time high numbers. Yeah, I can see that. I could definitely see a cup and handle pattern. Pull it, bro. V-Man. What do you think about Biocoin? Hold on, we got a chat coming here. Bretta. Let's check out Bretta. All right, so we'll check out Bretta. I don't think, but see, my thing is, I don't really think that Bitcoin hitting a all-time high before the halving. I don't really think that's like a big game changer. I think that's like hoopla that people put out there to get you locked in, right? You gotta understand, like the old guys, you gotta understand, right? When a lot of these, and I hate to put it like this, man, and I don't want to be this guy, but a lot of the people that put out these charts and these history and all of this bullshit, right? You gotta understand that they've been holding crypto for a while. They don't want you to sell your crypto, right? They don't want you to move on from the market or think that there's a top. They always want you to be locked in, putting in new money because you are their exit liquidity. So anybody that's been buying crypto since 2012, they got massive bags. They're literally living off of new people coming into crypto. But that's how crypto is. It's PvP. So if I've been holding my bags for 3 years, right? And let's say I'm part of a coin that has a $50 million market cap, or let's say 100, let's just go into the billions. Let's say a $1 billion market cap, right? I'm part of a coin that has a $1 billion market cap that I bought 2 cycles ago, right? I got a full bag in that altcoin, and my bag is sitting around 345K, right? 345,000, right? Of course, I'm not going to liquidate the whole 345,000, but I can continue to kind of like suppress the coin by every month selling off 50K or 25K, right? And just live off that for every month. So of course, people going to say, oh, this time is different. Yeah, altcoin bull run. We go bull run here. You know, these are people that's been holding bags for years, right? So they're going to make you feel like you need to keep putting money in so you can become a crypto millionaire. You not understanding that you are just becoming exit liquidity. So this is stuff that I've looked at over time, right? You know what I mean? Like, I'm not sitting here just babbling about shit that I haven't like researched, right? This is what people don't talk about on crypto YouTube, right? This is what they don't talk about. You ain't finna get this from a lot of YouTubers. They gonna tell you buy, don't fuck this up. This is this. They not finna tell you, hey, I've been buying for the last 4 years. I got a massive bag in some of those cryptos, and I can kindly suppress the price every time the market cap goes up, and I can take a little bit off the table and live off this throughout the year in my mansion in Dubai, in Dubai, in the fucking desert, doing what I want to do and telling you to keep buying while I'm not buying shit. I'm just living off my fucking bag, and you're my exit liquidity. No one gonna tell you that, bro. Nobody gonna tell you that. Nobody gonna keep it real with you about that. You know what I mean? So yeah, fortune favors the brave, but you also gotta be realistic, right? You got to be realistic. A lot of this money in crypto right now is wish-wash money from the same people, right? It's the same people creating the same coins. It's wish-wash money. Retail ain't here. So what do you think is happening? It's the same cycle of liquidity being washed around, right? From narrative to narrative to narrative. It is what it is, man. And it's nothing wrong with that. It's PvP. But I mean, let's call it a spade a spade. You know what I mean? Don't be like, oh, because it's crypto, I'm gonna just hold back and you know let you know get used and abused because of my you know my love for crypto. My love for crypto, I'm gonna just keep my fucking mouth closed and get used and abused all fucking day. Like like no, bro, no. Like this market don't give a fuck about nobody, bro. I'm just being honest with you, man. You know what I mean? Nobody don't care about none of that. Only thing they care about is if they can fill their bags. It's not a lot of genuine people in this market. And that's facts. It's not a lot of genuine people in this market. All right, Bretta. On Sol, we got Sol meme coins back. Pulling in $121,000 market cap. Guys, this is high risk. Nice little floor being built out here. You know, a little bit of volume would be nice, right? But not bad, right? I guess if we go to let's see if we can actually pull up deck screeners here. Salute to my boy J5. You know what I mean? Guys, I like I said, I don't know, man. Deck screener. Man, hopefully deck screener. Hopefully deck screener let me in, bro. Because when I got my thing up, it do not let me in. I wanted to check the market makers on the code. Let me in deck screener real quick. Okay, cool. All right, so it is what it is. So I play crypto for what it is, but I don't let crypto play me. You know what I'm saying? I play crypto for what it is, right? And I try to spread a little bit of wisdom when I can, right? But I ain't trying to become like the most hated guy in crypto. So, you know, I'm going to just chill. I don't want to be the most hated guy. Okay, with Solana meme coins, not bad here from Bretta, but I think the one thing that's kind of like stifling is this: it doesn't have enough makers to be attracted to Solana traders, right? Solana traders, VCs, they love tokens that have high amount of makers, right? And it's bringing in about over 10K in volume over a 5-minute range here. So it checks off for a few, but would need a little bit more makers to garner that interest from the Solana big boys, right? But not bad chart. I'm assuming that they'll continue to work and continue to put themselves out there, right? Let's give them a follow. 2,900 people, and these guys are still posting, so that's a good thing. Not bad. You know, once some more attention, you know, goes out there on this project, this could do well, right? Hold on. Hear me out, brother. Hear me out, brother. You showing a little bit of them legs now. Hold on, brother. Hear me out. Hear me out. I hear people say they lost so much money in crypto when they sound depressed. I'm such a troll. I'll be like, you suck. Stop trading. Delete your. Don't be mean. I was early on brother, but it looked fishy first couple days. I'd be way up. I watched Black Adam this weekend, and it clicked for me that it was that what is what Black Adam gave you a epiphany. Okay, opened up positions in math and CTX. Any thoughts on those two? Also, just sent a rocket on X about scam projects and influencers who shield them. Mentioned you as one of the good guys. Sent a rocket on. Oh man, like look, I don't look huge code is like whatever you doing, man. You do. That's on you, good brother. Like I said, you know me. I stay away from that toxicity and trying to point out scams and all that shit. That's not. I ain't in the market for that. Like I know my lane, and you got your lane, and you already know it's all love, baby. But yeah. I don't want to have nothing to do with that. Nothing to do with that, right? I don't know nothing about KOLs. I don't know shit. I don't know nothing. Don't ask Billy about nothing, right? Don't ask me about nothing. I stay away from that energy. That and I never understand how people lose a lot of money in crypto, but buy red. No, it's very easy to lose a lot of money in crypto, right? They buy green candles, right? When a meme coin launch. So this is what happens, right? Meme coin launches. Only there's the circle. Okay, I don't want to have a conversation about this. Nah, I'm not about to talk about this. All right, let's move on. Let's say math and CTX. Let's keep it positive. I'm gonna keep it positive. Now, brother is not looking bad. Not looking bad. Needs a few more makers, right, to get attention from the big dogs, but not looking bad. Math. Keep it positive. I'm gonna keep it positive, right? Math token. It's been around for 2 years, huh? You been around for 2 years, huh? All right. Nice move to the upside, putting in a bullish flag on the daily. Even though the momentum indicators are going down, the price seems to be holding up here on support of this bullish bag around 45 cents. Could this thing pull in another move to the upside? I don't know. If so, you want to kind of like take in
check out the Biao coin, bro.
Alright. If the flag breaks out, next stop could be 88 cents, right? So we want to see this bullish pattern here. You can call it whatever you want to call it: bull flag, bear flag, bull descending bull, whatever the fuck y'all call it. But yeah, this thing could definitely break to the upside if this flag breaks to the upside, which could be interesting, right? Stock our side going for the reset. Not much momentum on the MACD, holding tight at the bottom of the support of this triangle, but depending on how the volume is looking, because the volume is decreasing here, maybe bulls come pick this up because they see that the volume is decreasing, pick this up and push this to the upside, confirming your bullish flag here. Not bad for math. What actually is this token here? That's looking pretty good, right? It's looking pretty good. That would be a good little short-term trade, right? If you were looking to put in a long, right? Multi-chain crypto wallet for 3.5 million users, 190 blockchains. Okay, it's one of those crypto wallet plays that you guys like. People have been telling me about CTX. I couldn't find the right one. I keep pulling up like the wrong one, so I don't know which one it is. Is it this one? It's been around for 3 years, so I guess we'll check this out. $6.18 here, $36 million market cap, 61 FDV. Volume is bullish. Now you see this volume. This is bullish, right? Huge candle. Volume kind of decreased, but it was looking nice on the daily. Confirmation of bullish momentum on both indicators. This is looking nice. But you can see here this little pattern here broke to the upside, right? Which you would want to see from math as well. So not sure where CTX looks nice. Could have been a nice setup here to the upside for the daily. Both momentum indicators are telling me that this wants to go even higher. Do have 2 wicks, so be a little bit careful. But hey, still seems like the momentum is your friend here with CTX. Taking a look at what actually this is: Cryptex Finance, a DAO building cutting edge markets. This is a contributor run account So I don't actually know what the use case to this is, but I'll continue to follow them. And yeah, salute to you, huge, for picking up Cryptex, CTX, and Math. Look like you had some pretty good moves there, pretty good trades there. All right. Let's see. Damn, y'all rolling in the comments. I just want to say, my ladies to the moon. Boom. All right, it's not that your strategies is working. It's the time and date and time frame that most traders get wrong because everybody's trying to get rich for 1 minute. Let's see here. One guy I know asked me what fiat was, and I told him it's cash and you use it every day, but he reiterated question and I shook my damn head. I never understood. Yeah. You mean death arrow triangle. Yeah, you can call it whatever you want to call it, right? Triangle, bullish flag, or whatever. Everybody calls these things different. Check out Biocoin. Okay, BIAO. Let's check it out. BIAO. All right, Mario, which one is it, man? Are you talking about the one on Sol, the one on ETH? Which one are you talking about, good brother? Which one are you talking about? Please be specific, because you got a whole bunch of people that tried to create this dude right here. So be specific of which one you're talking about, and we'll check it out. Donnie Val, Shibini, and Pepe was my best token buys. Then Solana meme coins are straight claymores planted on every corner. He's still killing it though with those. Let's see what we got here. Check out Pepe, Bunk, Turbo, Kimbo, Myro, and Cock. It's not that these strategies is working. It's the time and date and time frame that most traders get wrong because everybody's trying to get rich for 1 minute. Nah, I don't trade. You know what I'm saying? I don't trade, man. I don't trade. I'm a momentum indicator trader based off long time frames, right? Longer time frames. I trade off the daily, the weekly, and sometimes the monthly, but nothing that's like you know what I mean, 5 minutes and 3 minutes and shit like that. Nah, I don't do that. I don't have the time to sit at the charts and do that. Small percentage of coins that's going to make you a bag when you trade on D5. Retardio. What type of name is that? Retardio in the house, right? Retardio on Sol. I don't know. I think the best meme coin right now on Sol, when I look at everything that the meme coin is doing, I think it's Tucker. I think Tucker. When you think about that show is fucking legit, bro. And that show is probably going to take that meme coin to higher heights. So I think that's probably like one of the best meme coins on Sol, in my opinion. When you think about meme coins and, the perfect, match on how that was made. And then they have the KOLs, marketers, and then you got Crypto Rand behind it, who's a huge YouTubers. They got everything going right for those guys. So I think that they have a good chance of succeeding there with that, right? Sometimes it's who you know in crypto, right? Could be putting in a massive cup and handle pattern here. This is a nice pattern. Retardio is looking good. Momentum indicators are checking out on the daily. This is looking good. What's the market cap? 26 million, 6,000 holders, almost 1,024 volume. Looks nice, right? Let's see how many makers this thing is actually pumping. Make sure it got that Solana VC package, right? The Solana VC engine behind it. Put that Solana VC engine behind it. Things go crazy. It's been around for 2 months, all right? Has a little bit of trust. And you can see here, 663 makers. So, yeah, hot pair. Like the number of makers right here. Again, this plays a huge part in volume, which brings attention to your project. And I love how Deck Screener lets you know how many makers a project is having. So, this looks nice. Volume checks out. Buy volume is over the sell volume. Yeah, looks nice. Even the pattern looks good. I haven't checked out actually what this is. Never been in a Telegram, so I'm not here to stamp it. But from just the chart, looks pretty good. Wouldn't say it doesn't. What's up, Abe? All right, buy Al on Solana. Okay, we'll go check that out. Let's see here. So, alrighty. $17 million market cap, 4,000 holders, 700 in liquidity, 8 million in 24 volume. Okay, now this is nasty right now, right? This had a nasty move on the daily. Extremely overbought here, right? This is looking like this is ready to come down. Selling volume rising. Would be very, 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 very very, very concerned about buying the green candle here, right? This is something that you do not want to put yourself into getting caught up in a hype of a project, right? Very, very interesting candle on the 4 hour right here, engulfing red candle. And two things is going to happen, right? On the 4 hour, this can go back up, but the momentum seems to be dying here from the MACD and also the volume. So I don't know. I don't know if buy is actually a good buy. I would wait for it to correct a little bit, right? I wouldn't wait for this thing to correct a little bit. In my opinion, I would wait for it. I wouldn't, buy into this green candle. I would wait for it to come back a little bit more. Just, put it on my watch list, monitor it. If this is something that you're trading, see if it got a little bit of hype there. I like Solana meme coins though, right? You go into the casino and you do your thing, right? Looks good on the 1 hour though. Could be looking to put up more, but I don't know, man. This thing just broke a key neckline here. And because it broke that key neckline, there is no structure from here to here, so this could easily come back down. This could easily. This is a meme coin. Yeah, this could easily come back down. I do like the number of makers here. This is insane, right? So a lot of people are trading this. This is buy and selling pressure, not just buying. Okay, bakers doesn't mean 3,000 people just buying in one. This is buying and selling, right? But this just shows you the type of attention that this project has from unique wallets, whales, and things of that, right? Experienced buyers is which we would call it. But yeah, it looks like it's going to come back down there and retest maybe support down here. Because if that hourly wick candle, if this was able to hold some support here or here at this neckline, I would have been like, okay, maybe it goes back up. But because it already broke this support, and most likely people are looking to take profits because it's a meme coin and the market is just real quiet right now, I think it's a good chance that the thing comes back and retests its support right here. So that's how I would play it out. You dig? But nice little move, man. If you bought this down here and you got into this, man, congrats to you, brother. Congrats. Congrats to you. I haven't checked Pingy in a while. Swift might push to 12, 13 cent in good profit. Yeah, Swift is a good token. Anyone heard of Rent AI? It's a copy and paste of Node AI. Yeah, we talked about that yesterday, man. And as soon as somebody brought it up on the stream, I'm like, nope, not finna do one of these GPU projects again. I sold my Swift $600 worth. I'll buy back in once solidify my RWA position. What RWA token were you looking at, AOKG? Looks like you wanted to get in some RWA coins, and so you got up out of Swift. Well, it is what it is. I moved some of my Jasmy to Swift coin recently in Myria. I hold a mill of Swift. That's an interesting move. Moving from Jasmy to Swift coin in Myria. Very interesting move. Bento, 1.1 million holders, 19 million market cap, 18 days old. All right, I got $150 of Jasmy, $50 of Sweet index tools. I'm working on filling my post-chain bags similar to ICP. My portfolio is changing. When I started, it was mainly memes, but now all of my new positions are blue chip. All right, congrats to you. I sold Myro and Cock. It's too sus for me at the time, but I did buy Black Cock Inu No Titty. Y'all some degens, man. All right, let's check out Pingy. Y'all some damn degens, bro. I swear to God, man. I like to like read people's mindsets behind why they make those moves, and I'll be wondering like, what y'all be on. Which Pingy? Pingy on Soul. This thing was able to hold up its market cap. Our Discord been on this for a while, right? Y'all love Pink POS, Pinky. I know you ain't talking about. Man, bye. Oh, y'all is funny. Y'all is funny. Man, bye. Bye, bro. I know you ain't talking about that piggy. Bro, I know you ain't talking about that piggy. All right, let's go here. Let's go here. My stream was this live. Hey, bring up my stream, bro. What y'all on? Let's see here. Soul is ass right now. Bento. All right, we got somebody ask me about Bento. Y'all still going meme coin crazy, bro. Y'all is meme coin crazy. All right, Bento on base. Oh, that's a nice little setup there. Nice little setup. Nice little setup. What the hell? 1.1 million holders. Hold on. This is interesting. Hold on. Let me see this. 1.1 million holders? You rarely see a project that doesn't have whales. This thing got 1.1. How did they set this up? It's kind of like that token we talked about yesterday. It was like at an $8,000 market cap. Yo. Why does it have so much holders? But it's interesting. It kind of piqued my interest, right? Meet Bento, the most friendly dog on base, and it has all these damn holders, so it has a lot of people that hold like small percentages. Okay, this is what happened. Okay, that's dope. That's dope. So this is like an airdrop token, airdrop meme token. So I was kind of confused of how that happened. But yeah, salute to them for being able to pull that off, man. They sent out Bento to 1 million people. Whoa, that must have been an airdrop that took days to do. God damn. That is interesting. Soul is too popular not to buy and hold. Yeah, man. The thing about it is, if you bought like what, $2,000 worth of Soul at $8 and Soul goes to $800, I think that's $2 million. That's a fucking trade right there, right? Buying $2,000 worth of Soul at $8 and watching it casually go to $800 is a crazy trade, bro. And when you think about it, anybody that's been in crypto for 2 years, that probably was like the easiest fucking trade in America. And so many people got fudded out because of FTX, man. But people knew Soul was the Soul champ, bro. So if you bought $2,000 worth of Soul at $8, and I think it's a good chance Soul can go to $800 when you think about the casino aspect and how that token is being utilized within the ecosystem. That's got to be one of the greatest trades and easiest trades, right? I picked up dual game GPT, but only 15% of total in circulation. Yeah, I think they rebranded from Rainmaker Games. And because I had Rainmaker Games, I'm like, I'm good. Already, you got me once. Ain't gonna get me again. Yo, I just went in on Bento yesterday. I got like 250 million airdrop. That's what's up, bro. Damn. That does put a lot of selling pressure on the project, but shit, everybody getting all these Bento seems like they happy about it. That's what's up. Sold to 170 and she didn't boo. Nah, bro. Soul is gonna go higher than 170, man. It'll go higher than 170 for sure. If you know, you know. Soul is going to Soul is going higher than 170. Black Cock Inu, I haven't heard about that one in a long time. I mean, I thought that one was, you know how y'all do it. Is it dead? $3 million market cap. So it's held up. It's held up. Still waiting for it to make its next move, right? It's building up a new floor here. It's held up. Still spitting out 44,000 in 24 volume. So at least it held up its 20 you know market cap sitting at 3 million. Hey, when this thing comes back, when meme coins come back around and the whole cock narrative comes back around, I can see this thing rolling, right? Just like Cock Inu rolled, right? Nobody's seen that coming, but you think about it like, damn, crypto was supposed to be so professional and this, and then like, you cock meme coin go to like 1 billion, you like, what, man? All that shit just get thrown out the table, right? All that utility and all that get thrown out the table when these type of tokens go to 1 billion. You like, bruh, this can't be real. But it's real. It's happening. Yeah, it happens. It is what it is. About at $20 and should have held, but being a first time investor, I put that into ETH. Oh man. The only positive thing that happened to me as an XRP holder was the Flare airdrop. Damn, it's trading sideways $600 and it could take off. Alright, I have my boy Moonbound up in here. Alright, guys, so we ain't have much news. It was a boring day. I'm ready to go touch some grass. I kicked it with y'all, chill with y'all, kicked it like the Bobos. We talked. Take time to learn. Take this time to learn. Yeah, definitely. I agree with you, bad boy, man. Take this time to learn, guys. We'll go ahead, spin the wheel. Spin the wheel because we ain't do it on Sunday. Alright, let's spin the wheel because we ain't do it on Sunday, right? Let's see what we got here. So whoever Jermaine Jones, we got a new winner. Jermaine Jones. I don't know who Jermaine Jones is. I don't, whoever is Jermaine Jones, hit up the Johnny 5 official Twitter page, man, and claim your reward. Claim your reward, Jermaine Jones. Whoever knows Jermaine Jones, tell him to claim his reward. All right, Jermaine Jones here, double J. Y'all tell him to claim his reward. GG Moonbound. What's the word, baby? Jermaine Jones, hit up the Johnny 5 official account on Twitter. The official account. Hit up J5's official account. If you don't know what it is, it's right here. It looks like this. Go hit up the account and claim your reward, good brother. So this week's winner was Jermaine Jones. If you smell Jermaine, claim your goddamn reward. I was saying, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Chat, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Keep your favorite crypto and doing it on entrepreneur inside the algorithms. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. We hung for almost an hour and 30 minutes. A little bit more than what I wanted to hang, but we hung, right? We hung. Not much going in the market, guys. This is the purgatory. This is the waiting room. Don't get shook out the market. There's going to be a lot of things that come out bearish. There's going to be a lot of bullshit in the market, but just hold strong, right? We still got, we're about 6 months, hopefully just three to 6 months, right? Hopefully it's not longer than that. But if it is, prepare your mind for the next 6 to 9 months. Just waiting room, right? You have to make it out the waiting room, right? No, not everybody is going to make it to the parabolic stage. And I do want to iterate that this is the stage that you actually do accumulate, right? You don't wait till the parabolic stage starts. You start doing your research now. You start doing your due diligence now. You start consolidating your portfolio to the best of the best in your portfolio and prepare yourself for this next parabolic stage, right? AI is going to go crazy. AI meme coins are going to go crazy. RWA is going to go crazy. RWA meme coins are going to go crazy. Gaming tokens are going to go crazy. And of course, you got layer 1s, layer 2s, and the DPIN narrative itself. So those are the narratives that I'm most bullish on. Again, you can be most bullish on your narratives. There's no right or wrong narrative, okay? Anything could pop at any time. Anytime a new narrative could just sprout out the thin air and cause a cascade of buying pressure for your favorite crypto altcoin. So if you believe in it, have that conviction. Please be responsible, right? This is not the time to be connecting your wallet to all this bullshit. Not the time to be connecting your wallet to all these pre-sales. It's just not the time for none of that, right? It's not the time for none of that. This is the time to persevere and really figure out your best 10 to 15 coins, right? Preferably 10, right? Consolidate that shit, right? Consolidate that. This next 6 to 9 months, I'm going with 10, maybe 10 to 15 are the best of the best. So, um, yeah, yeah. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. And I'm about to go touch grass, man, because mental health matters. Okay? Appreciate everybody, man. Appreciate you guys. I really do. Really do. We need more positivity and peace inside this market, and we're going to make it. We're going to make it. So I'll see y'all in the next one.